Hello, friends! Welcome to Daily Easy English Official. Let's learn, speak, and love English.
Meeting a friend. Hi, Sam.
Hi, Anna. How are you?
I am good. How are you?
I am great. What are you doing?
I am practicing English.
Really? That's great.
Yes, I want to speak English better.
You speak English well.
Thank you, but sometimes I feel nervous.
Don't worry, just speak every day.
Yes, I am trying. Talking about the morning.
What time did you wake up today?
I woke up at 7 o'clock.
What did you do after that?
I brushed my teeth and washed my face.
Sam, did you have breakfast?
Anna, yes, I did.
What did you have?
I had bread and eggs.
Sounds good.
What about you?
I had idli and coffee.
Nice. I like idli too. Talking about work. What do you do every day?
I work in an office.
What time do you go to work?
I go to work at 9 o'clock.
How do you go to work?
I usually go by bus.
Is your office far from your home?
No, it is not very far.
How long does it take?
It takes about 30 minutes.
That's not too long.
Yes, it's okay.
Talking about hobbies.
What do you do in your free time?
I like watching movies.
What kind of movies do you like?
I like comedy movies.
Do you like music?
Yes, I love music.
What kind of music do you listen to?
I usually listen to soft music.
Do you read books?
Sometimes. I am trying to read more books.
That's a good habit.
Thank you. English learning. Sam, can I ask you something?
Sure. What is it?
How can I improve my English speaking?
Speak English every day.
But I make many mistakes.
That's okay. Everyone makes mistakes.
Should I speak slowly?
Yes. Speak slowly and clearly.
Should I learn difficult words?
No. Start with simple words.
What else can I do?
Listen to English conversations and repeat them.
Repeat them?
Yes. Listen to a sentence and say it aloud.
Like this?
Exactly.
I am learning English every day.
Very good.
Daily speaking practice.
Let's practice together.
Okay,
What are you doing now?
I am talking to my friend.
What did you eat this morning?
I ate bread and eggs.
What are you going to do tonight?
I am going to watch a movie.
Who is your best friend?
You are my best friend.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Talking about tomorrow. What are you doing tomorrow?
I am going shopping.
What are you going to buy?
I need to buy some clothes.
Are you going alone?
No, I am going with my brother.
Can I come with you?
Of course.
Great. What time?
Let's meet at 10 in the morning.
Okay. See you tomorrow.
See you. Final speaking challenge. Before you go, let's do one more speaking practice.
Okay.
Tell me about yourself.
My name is Anna. I am from India. I live with my family. I like watching movies and listening to music. I am learning English because I want to speak confidently. I practice English every day.
Excellent.
Thank you.
Remember, Anna, you don't need perfect English to start speaking.
Yes, I just need to practice.
Exactly.
I will speak English every day.
That's the spirit.
I can speak English.
Yes, you can.
See you tomorrow.
See you.
Ending practice. Both. Listen, repeat, speak. Practice every day. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Your English will improve.